It's durian season. In the previous episode, I shared with you 2 durian recipes. Today, I'm going to show you another 2 durian recipes to keep you cool during the hot weather. Let's start by making the ice cream. Now that the ice cream is in the freezer overnight, let's start with making the durian crepe. Once the batter is done, we keep it in the fridge for half an hour. It is important to keep it chilled. And now, it is time to serve. It's so good and it's so nostalgic. It reminds me of those durian potong ice cream or the type of ice cream you buy in those big tubs from the mama shop when you were young. And it's just 3 ingredients. Don't even need an ice cream machine. So easy to make and so delicious. I hope you try this out. Next, we're gonna try the durian crepes. This reminds me of the durian puff, the kind that you get at the bakery shops under the block. And it's very light and not too sweet. It's a good recipe to try. And you can use any other fruit puree that you like. I hope you like these durian recipes. And if you do try it out, don't forget to tag us at the Meatmen channel. Goodbye!